What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be an exciting one. We'll be making some Jamaican Strong Back Drink, also known as Guinness Punch. The ingredients are listed on the screen, so let's get straight into the video. So as you could see, I'm shelling my peanuts. I'll be adding the peanuts directly to the blender, blending all the dry ingredients together and then adding the liquid ingredients as we go. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and start adding the liquid ingredients to our blender and blend everything together. Okay guys, this is definitely one of my favorite Jamaican drinks to make. It's so easy to make, it tastes good, and it's good for you. It's a win-win. It's packed with nutrients, protein, and so much fiber. I love this drink. So if I'm feeling drained, I need an energy boost, or I need a pick-me-up, I'll definitely run out and get these ingredients and make this drink. Or I'll try to get the Guinness, the oats, and the peanut and use whatever I could find home and make a substitute. If you had this drink before, comment down below and let us know the ingredients that you used. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you decide to try this recipe, go ahead and tag us on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.